What if aliens aren't mysterious beings from distant galaxies, but rather humans from our own future? Imagine this scenario clearly. The so-called gray aliens, small, slender, large eyes, and oversized heads, actually bear a striking resemblance to how human evolution might shape us in the distant future. Over centuries, as technology advances, our bodies might adapt dramatically. Our heads could grow larger as our brains develop to manage increasingly complex technologies. Muscles could weaken from reduced physical activity. Even our eyes might expand, adapting to screens, virtual realities, and dimmer environments. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating theory. Why would future humans return to our present? First, consider scientific exploration. Humans are innately curious, always looking backward to understand where we came from. Our future descendants might view us just as we view ancient civilizations, seeking knowledge about their origins and evolution. Second, future humans might come back with a purpose beyond mere curiosity, perhaps survival. They could be facing a crisis in their timeline, environmental collapse, genetic decay, or a disaster we can't yet foresee. By studying humans from our era, they might search for genetic material, untouched ecosystems, or critical historical knowledge essential for preserving their future existence. Then there are the mysteries surrounding alien encounters, such as alleged abductions. Could these be misunderstood medical examinations? Perhaps these future humans are conducting research into genetic issues or diseases they've encountered thousands of years ahead. Gathering genetic samples could help them mitigate health crises that plague their time. Crop circles and strange symbols, often associated with alien encounters, might also have a logical explanation. What if these are complex communications or warnings that we're currently unable to decode? Perhaps future humans communicate differently. Our primitive understanding leaves us confused or frightened by messages intended to help. This theory also intriguingly addresses the Fermi paradox, the puzzling question of why. Despite billions of planets and stars, we seem alone in the universe. Maybe the reason we've not encountered other intelligent life forms is simple. The universe is unempty. But instead, our concept of aliens is fundamentally flawed. Perhaps there are no aliens, only future versions of ourselves, quietly observing. Historical precedents exist to show that concepts once considered absurd later become accepted science. 100 years ago, traveling to space or the existence of black holes seemed impossible. Today, they're common knowledge. Who's to say that time travel won't become the same? Now imagine the implications if this idea proves true. How would humanity react, knowing our actions today are closely monitored by future generations? Would we behave more responsibly, knowing we're influencing not just our future, but potentially creating pathways for time travelers? Moreover, ethical considerations arise. If future humans are indeed manipulating the timeline, what responsibilities do they carry? Could their presence create paradoxes? Would altering our timeline risk their very existence? As we ponder these fascinating possibilities, we realize how interconnected our past, present, and future truly are. Every step we take today could ripple across thousands of years, potentially shaping the lives of distant descendants who might one day return. Searching for answers or seeking to change their fate, next time you look at the night sky, consider this. The mysteries we attribute to extraterrestrial beings might actually be deeply personal. Those silent watchers, those elusive visitors, might be ourselves carefully watching from a far-off future. In the end, the universe is a vast tapestry of unanswered questions. Perhaps the greatest revelation waiting for us is in discovering life from other worlds. But understanding the incredible potential within our own species, maybe, just maybe, we're already here from the future.